Okay, so this is just in your textbook, it's page 369, but it explains how we actually maintain our fluid levels in our body. So our body is really cool at how it does this. So for instance, it starts with a stimulus and maybe we have excess sweating and we haven't drank enough water. And so as you've learned and as you've read about is when you have a high concentration of solutes in your circulatory system, your body is going to try to equalize that and try to maintain homeostasis. So we lose water, we increase osmolality, in other words, the solutes increase in our blood. And this is when people talk about, well, your blood gets thick. So, yes, that is true to some extent in the sense that you have more solutes in your circulatory system, but your body is going to compensate for that. All right. And so, what it does is it tells your hypothalamus, hey, dude, your blood is thick. You have too many solutes in that. We need to maintain water. We need to try to keep you hydrated. And it sends a signal to the pituitary gland, and the pituitary gland stimulates the antidiuretic hormone, or your ADH. And your ADH then tells your kidneys, hang on, we don't need to excrete water, we need to hold on to water. And ultimately, it causes us to maintain our fluid that allows our kidneys to reabsorb water into the system and put that back into our circulatory system and in essence keep us functioning. So think about this. Your circulatory system is providing nutrients, providing oxygen, and your whole point of your body is to keep your brain active. So when you start dehydrating, your body is going to draw fluids from the cells in order for your brain to continue to get oxygenated blood and to get the nutrients it needs to function, which is also why when you think about when somebody becomes dehydrated, they become disoriented, they don't really know what's going on, because part of that is that they're not getting enough fluid and oxygenated and blood to the brain and also nutrients to the brain. And so this is why it's important when you talk to your athletes, okay, you need to make sure that you're getting enough fluids because your central nervous system is counting on you to give them fluids in order to function. So that's just how your body will regulate your fluids and ultimately keep us functioning.